Hey guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to Wado TV, and in today's video what we're going to do is basically check out how you can use Discord in 2022. Now Discord has improved a lot. Discord has gone from just a gaming centric thing to probably one of the best platforms to have discussion, chats and enjoyment. So let's hop on to Discord right now and see what is to be done, what is to be seen. So let's go to Discord. So we have Discord here, and as you can see, Discord has improved a lot. The UI has now shaped up to be pretty cool and interesting, right? So Discord has a lot of things to offer to you. Firstly, let's check out the main thing, that is adding a server. So you can create your server based on a template here, and a lot of times a lot of artists and creators actually use these templates, right? So let's say Wado TV community, right? Now just in case you're wondering, our community is actually on Yuki, and you can check that out from the link given down below in the description. Let's go, let's get started. And here we are. Now we are at Wado TV community, and yes, it does seem a little complex here because now we'll have to input some rules that people are going to see. We're going to have channels. So channels are basically subgroups here, right? So Wado TV community is your main group and your channels are your subgroup, right? So now that we have that sorted, you can add voice channels and text channels. Voice channels is where people will join in to have discussions on voice calls, but text channel is where you're going to send messages and receive some messages. Now this is great for entrepreneurs who want to connect with their customers, who want to know what their customers are thinking, take feedback, give some offers, give special plans, and also create a group of creators or affiliates that are going to promote your product. This voice channel can also be used by said entrepreneurs to actually handle their team, have a good call, sometimes have great gaming sessions with the team as a way of spirit building. So that we have covered here, and that we've covered for entrepreneurs. But now let's just check out what this can be for creators. Now let's check it out how this can be useful for creators. So as far as creators go, the same idea applies, but here creators can push their videos and promote their videos using Discord. Now what this would help them do is get that initial boost, get feedback from their usual subscribers on how the videos are doing and what can they improve. Now this is a great way to actually push products as a creator who's also an affiliate. Now there are users that are many, and we will be making videos dedicated to each and every type of user, so make sure that you do subscribe to the channel and do comment down below if you fall into any of the categories of users that we have mentioned right now, right? After that, you can actually send message to threads. So here you can create a thread where your thread will be basically a topic that you want to discuss on, so that is going to be really amazing. And you can see all your servers here. Now other than servers, you can see your member list, who are the members. You can make it private or you can make it public, and that is something that is really amazing. Another thing that is very amazing is adding bots. So as you can see, we have a client bot here which will allow you to invite people and all of that. You can also personalize your server and see what widgets you can add, what moderation can be done, and what are the emojis that can be used, and you can even put your custom emojis. Now custom emojis will be useful for special creators, because then the creators can have their own touch to these servers that are basically from Discord. So yes, for business, Discord is crazy good, right? Other than that, you can also create roles for your members, and this is great if your server has become very big, because now you can delegate the responsibilities to a few people, which is again really amazing. Now other than that, let me show you some settings that I would suggest that you do take into account. As you can see, there are tons of settings going on here. With as far as the appearance is concerned, you can make it light or dark. Usually light or dark, I would suggest keep it dark, it's better for your eyes. You can change the font scaling and you can change the fit, right? Cozy is more modern, good looking, and I would suggest you just keep it there. What you do need to change is voice and video. Here you can actually ensure that there is not a lot of noise in your audio, which is something that is really nice. So make sure that you do use crisp, because crisp is going to ensure that your audio is noise free, and that is really important. right? So yes, these are some of the settings that I would suggest that you check out first on Discord. Yes, once again, there are dozens of settings that you can check out, so make sure that you do. You can also talk to people by going to home, and you can find your friends, and you can create a new group DM. You can just directly message someone from here using create a DM, right? And Nitro is something we'll be covering very very soon, so make sure that you do subscribe the channel for the same. Now this is all for today's video, because it's becoming pretty long, and I know long videos can get a tad bit boring, and we at Padu TV do not do long videos. So make sure that you do follow this channel, do make sure that you subscribe, put a thumbs up here, so that when the new video part 2 of this comes up, where we show you some amazing strategies to actually earn money from Discord, you so are going to want to see it, right? Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.